In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom fonts to your Shopify theme. This process not only lets you inject your unique style into the design, but it also ensures brand consistency across your website. Let's dive into the detailed instructions to make this transformation seamless. First, you'll want to start by downloading the desired font files. Make sure that these files are in a web-friendly format like BOF2 or WEF. If your fonts are in a different format, don't worry. There are online converters that can easily help you switch them to the right format. Also, if you're planning to use a custom font, it's crucial to check and verify that you have the proper license to deploy it on your website. Licenses ensure you're using the font legally and ethically. Next, we'll move on to uploading these font files to your Shopify theme. Head over to your Shopify admin and go into the online store section. From there, select Themes and click on Actions, followed by Edit Code on the theme you're looking to tweak. Inside the theme's code editor, locate the Assets folder. Here, you'll find an option to add a new asset. It's as simple as uploading your font files, whether it's .uf2, BOF, or another format, directly into this folder. Now that your files are in place, it's time to modify your theme's CSS to integrate your custom fonts. Navigate to your theme's style sheet. It'll likely be named something like theme watch liquid or base s. Scroll down to the bottom of the file and add in the necessary CSS code. Here's where you'll introduce the @fontface rule. Replace your font name with the actual name of your chosen font and adjust the file paths as needed to match your uploads. This sets up the font to be available throughout your website. Once the font is set up, identify the elements where you'd like to apply it. Think headings, body text, or paragraphs. Add the font family property to these elements with the name you provided earlier. For example, you might set body text to font family, your font name, sans serif. Incorporating fallback fonts is a good idea too, as it ensures a smooth user experience if the custom font doesn't load. With these changes in place, don't forget to save your style sheet. After saving, preview your Shopify theme. Take a careful look to confirm that your custom font displays correctly. If the font isn't appearing as expected, double-check the file paths in your CSS and verify that your font files are properly uploaded to the Assets folder. Lastly, important factors to keep in mind. Ensuring the correct file paths in your CSS, including necessary file formats like .ttf or .eot for browser compatibility, checking font licenses, considering font readability for accessibility, and remembering that too many custom fonts might slow down your site's loading speed. With these considerations understood, you're now ready to give your Shopify store a fresh, custom look.